Hi all, welcome to ServiceNow training by LearnNow. In this video, we are going to discuss about the onCellEdit client script. onCellEdit client script is used to put some restriction on the list view, like validating field values, trigger server-side logic after inline update, prevent unauthorized inline edits, or prevent invalid state changes from the list view. These are the use cases. Let's move to the PDI. Before that, how and what parameters do we use in onCellEdit client script? These are like sysID. If you see here, sysID, like the records that you have selected from the list, this sysID have all the like an array of those records sysID. Table, on which table you are running this. Old value, if you are changing any field or any cell value, then it has the old value of that field. New value, what you are going to enter the new value in that cell. Callback, if you pass true, the other scripts are executed or the change is committed. And if you pass false, other scripts will not execute and change is not committed. So let's see like how it works. Uh, Before implementing anything, I'll just want to show you what is out of the box already there. Here, if you see new, I can directly change it to in progress without even looking at the form, like what's the issue and all. But we want to restrict the user, like the user should come and see what is the issue, then he can change the state to in progress. For that, I have already created one client script. Restrict user to change the state from the list incident table. UI type is all, type is onCellEdit, and field name is state, on which field we are applying it. So here this is id table which we have already like discussed. Now I want to restrict it, so I'll apply a condition if new value is equals to 2, that is in progress. Why I am implying alert here is because we are not able to access the form. This client script is the only one which runs on the list view, not on the form view, so we do not have any form here. I'm returning false because I do not want to execute any script on cell, like on state change. Let me give you an example. Like if the state changes to in progress, uh, assignment group and assign to should be mandatory. If I do not pass here false, the state will change, but assignment group and assign to will be still empty. That's why I passed false here. Let me save this and we can test it. I'll refresh the list. If I change it to again in progress, it is showing me the error, and if I press enter again, the state is still new. If I change in progress to on hold, it is letting us change. But if I change it again to in progress, the user should see like why the ticket was on hold and whether they have provided any feedback or not. So this is how you can apply this onCellEdit. Second is like this short description. Sometimes user will do like change the short description from the list view only, and sometimes they just clear the value, but the field is mandatory from on the form. So this field should have a value, it should not be empty. So for that, I have written a client script again, short description mandatory from the list view, and here I'm going if new value equals to empty, please enter the short description, and again return false. And I go here, you see I have not refreshed this form, so I was just showing you the like existing functionality. If I clear it, it is cleared. Okay, now I refresh this, so the client script changes will be implemented, and I will take this form, I make it empty, enter. Please enter the short description, and it won't allow me to save an empty short description. So this is how you can use onCellEdit. You can use it to populate assignment group, restrict the state change of for the assignment group and assign to. And if you select multiple like this, you will get this SID here. If I show you the alert, if I choose this these three records and try to change this state, so currently I have changed the state of only one, so that's why it is showing only one. And if I, my bad, not from here, if I choose these three and enter, you see the three IDs are still here. So this is how you can use this SysID field. And the other one is old value. Let me just bring it here. Save this. Again, if I go to the list and refresh it, let's suppose I want to change this on hold to new. So this is the SysID, but this is the old value. Like previously it was on hold, so on hold has a value 3. So you will get the like previous value also. So this is how you can use onCellEdit client script. You can use these values, like if you are changing from 3 to 1, you want to restrict it, or you want to, here I'll show you one more thing. If old value equals to 3 and new value equals to 2, so what I have done, if the, what is the issue? Okay, else if the old value is 3 and new value is 2, then we will allow the user to change the state. But if old value is 1, we are restricting the user to change it from the form only. here. It's new. If I click here and want to change it to in progress, still showing the error. But if it is 3 and we want to go to new, then it should allow me here to in progress. Why? Maybe I just click somewhere wrong. Okay, let's use this. If it is 3 and I want to make it to 2, yeah, it is allowing me. So this is how you can change the states and use the onCellEdit client script to restrict the user to perform any operations or change any states or any field value on from the list view. Thank you. Please do like, subscribe my channel. And this is like all we have completed for the client scripts. In the next video, I will bring some new topics of ServiceNow. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.